I wanted to show how to set up the gyro portion of an RX600SP receiver. So right now I've got one, it's already bound up. You can see that. It's got a couple servos and the aileron and elevator positions working, but I don't have the gyro mode on. I can wiggle it around. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is hit those dip switches, J4 and J5, to activate the gyro. Okay, I've activated it. Now I can move the receiver around. Status light is solid green. Okay, I'm in combo mode A right now. That's what it's defaulted to. That means gyro is on all the time, and the recovery mode is on if I hit the switch, if you've got it programmed that way, which I do, alternating red and green. That's recovery mode. I've got mine set up on a DX7S. I put it on my mix switch. Okay, so I'll turn that back off. Now I'm in regular gyro mode. Now, if you want to change the combo, okay, there's combo A, B, and C. You need to do that with the dual bind plug process. So let's walk through that real quick. Unplug power, unplug the servos. Okay, plug the first bind plug into the regular bind port. Now the second one goes across auxiliary, gear, and rudder. We put that just like that, okay? All right, now we plug power into the receiver. You can plug that into any open port. Okay, just like that. Now we have the blue light, that's advanced recovery mode. Okay, status light stays at solid green, indicating we're in combo mode A. Now we just need to hold the little button down for 2 seconds to change the combo mode. Holding it down, release. Now I have red and green solid. Okay, that's combo B. Now I want C. Hold it down. Green for 2 seconds, red for 2 seconds. Now it's a little hard to see. Okay, so that's C. That's what I want. Once you found the mode you want, remove power, remove the plugs. Okay, I'm going to put my servos back in. Elevator. Aileron. I'm going to plug my throttle back in. Like so. I'm going to plug power back in. Okay. It works. All right. Solid red and green. Gyro mode off. Green. Gyro mode on. Throttle. Okay. Everything works. Combo mode C is selected. Works on the switch.